Hey guys, Bruno with Riker Wheels. Today we have the very popular R35 Rambler super single for the Mercedes Sprinter 3500. So we've talked about this wheel for a very long time. We've had it for close to 2 years now. We've sold hundreds, thousands of them. And we just kind of thought, how can we make this wheel even better? And we decided to go with two valve stem holes. So you guys may know the 2025 models are now coming with TPMS in the rear. So dualies means two TPMS. In the past, we only had one valve hole, so you can only run one TPMS. And we were having to use either a strap that goes around the barrel of the wheel. Some people were sticking it to the barrel. And we were just going to get away from all that right there, make it easy for everybody. Simply plug and play. The new Super Single will be available with two valve holes now. So you guys don't have to do any funny tricks to run your TPMS on a 2025 model.